Kitchen and bath paints from Benjamin Moore. My name's Paul from Trusted House Painter, and I'm here with JC in the Benjamin Moore Paint Store. JC, I've got a project coming up. The clients just renovated their bathroom. It's a big bathroom. It's got big vaulted ceilings. It's well ventilated. What bathroom or kitchen and bath spa product would you recommend from Benjamin Moore?
Perfect product for that job, Paul, or a bath and spa.
Okay, now, can you give me a couple of reasons why you'd recommend that?
Sure. It's humidity resistant, Paul. It's easy to apply. It's low VOC. Stains wash off easily.
Cool. Yeah. Does it touch up well? Because I know some bathroom paints don't touch up well.
It touches up well, Paul, quite well. And the reason that it does that is because it comes in a matte finish.
Matte finish, perfect, because my next question was they didn't want a high gloss paint that most bathroom paints come in, so it comes in a lower sheen.
Perfect. Yeah, this product's changing the game there, and it only comes in a matte finish.
Okay, perfect. And last question is that it can be tinted to be pretty much any color?
It can be tinted any color that you could think of.
Okay, well I'm going to definitely use that product on this job, and JC, in case I need to find out more information, where can I get more information about this product and other Benjamin Moore products like it?
You could visit any of our retail outlets, Paul, or you could go on benjaminmoore.com.
Awesome. Thanks, JC.
Thanks, Paul.